Hi and welcome to some gentle yoga today with the magnolia tree. It's in its last days and I really wanted to do some yoga next to it. And we're going to just take a hand to the side, inhale up and over. Switching to the other side. So like the crescent moon at the side of the body. The magnolia opens up beautifully. It's my favourite. So we're going to inhale. It's like a firework, this magnolia going off. Hands together. Just beginning to move slowly, leaning back, point the toes. Stretch, stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch a bit more. Bring the chin back. Stretch the thyroid. Now coming down into a little ball. So like a firework, opening out. Like a star actually. Star's better. Star, stretch, stretch, stretch. Great. So this yoga is great for giving yourself a little energy boost in the morning, midday, or if you're feeling a bit sluggish. Take some breaths, shoulders up. We're going to speed it up now. 10, ready? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Brilliant. Interlink the fingers, make a big circle, bring the arms up, stretch, 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 and down. Change the interlink, do it again, stretch, 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 bring the feet in, lift the feet, pull them back, and release down. Excellent. Sitting right on the edge this time, edge of the seat. Turn the head as far as we can over the shoulder, looking over the shoulder. Great. Other side. Remember, when we start moving, we're going to feel stiff, especially if it's in the morning. Everyone feels stiff. Everyone, even who does yoga, feels stiff in the morning. This is why we need to move every single day. We've got to move and stretch the fascia in the body. If we're stressed, it gets even tighter, which is no good. Shake the hands, shake the feet. Shake, 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 shake it up. Shake it down. This time, tap, 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 tap the legs. Up to the tummy. All around the tummy. Heart. Tap the heart. Brilliant. Under the armpit. Down the arm. A massage. Tap, 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 tap. Great. Under the other armpit. Down. Tap, tap, tap. In the crease of the elbow and then down. There. Brilliant. Shake the hands. Roll down. Okay. Brilliant. Shoulders. Fingertips on the shoulders. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. All the way this time. Rolling them the other way. Oh, there's a lot of nerves get in knots and tangled up in the fascia, in the shoulders, again, especially if we're stressed. So it's sitting right on the edge of the seat this time. Forearm comes onto the thigh, and I'm going to ask you to bring your palms together, like so. Open up. So you'll feel this stretch in the lower spine. Just be mindful. If it's too tight, only go as far. We're not here to hurt ourselves here. Inhale, exhale. Feel the palms touch each other. You might notice the temperature of your hands. Inhale. And slow it down. Like in space. Moving slowly, bringing breath and movement together. Okay? Slowly bringing the hands over to the other side. Adjust. Inhale. Exhale. Do this twice more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Excellent. Hands together, bring the knees together. Okay, knees in towards each other, sorry. Feet are flat on the floor. I wouldn't normally have my flip-flops on, but this gravel will hurt my feet. So I've got the flip-flops on, and we are going to take one hand over, other hand behind and twist. Now, depending on your neck, you can keep your head down, or you can slowly walk the gaze round. Oh, I can see the lovely magnolia starting to drop. Breathe and twist, float the arms up and over to the other side. Right, really breathing and twisting and moving through the abdomen, the waist, the belly button. Float the arms over and go back. And again. Twist. Brilliant. Slowly letting go, roll the shoulders. Roll the shoulders. Now, really want you to squeeze up and feel the tension in your shoulders. So we really want to be as if there's lumps of ice in our shoulders. I can actually feel the sun on me, which is amazing. And we want to be using our breath, the warmth of our breath, to turn the ice to liquid.